In this video, we will show you how to exchange the AB axis module of an E5. The module contains several components, some of which can be exchanged individually, such as the measuring key. However, if internal components of the AB axis module are defective, you need to exchange the entire module. For this task, have the following items ready: the provided angle screwdriver Torx 25, a spare AB axis module, the 5.0 Nm Torx screwdriver with Torx 25 bit that is provided with the spare module, the provided 2.8 mm drill bit for tool positions, and the provided calibration set. Open the working chamber door. Switch off the machine at the main power switch. Notice: remove all tools and blanks from the working chamber. Carefully cut the cable tie with the wire cutter. Notice: do not damage the A-axis cable. Pull the cable downwards out of the fixation. Remove the cable tie. Unscrew the A-axis cable of the AB axis module. Open the knurled nut on the lower left side of the AB axis module. Pull the cable downwards at the plug. Pull the 4 cover caps off the 4 fixing screws on the AB axis module. Unscrew the 4 fixing screws of the AB axis module with the angle screwdriver. Remove the fixing screws and washers. Grasp the AB axis module with both hands and pull it forwards off the drive shaft. Remove the AB axis module from the working chamber. Remove the blank holder from the removed AB axis module. For this, remove the cover caps. Then unscrew both screws. Turn the AB axis module and remove the blank holder. Attach the blank holder to the replacement AB axis module and turn the module around. Screw in both screws and attach new cover caps from your accessories. On the drive shaft is a positioning pin to help you position the spare axis module. The spare axis module has a corresponding opening. Using both hands, slide the spare AB axis module onto the drive shaft. Insert the positioning pin on the drive shaft into the opening at the rear of the AB axis module. Screw down the AB axis module with 4 fixing screws and 4 washers. Use the 5.0 Nm Torx screwdriver with Torx 25 bit to tighten the screws crosswise. Attach the 4 cover caps to the 4 fixing screws of the AB axis module. Connect the A-axis cable. Plug in the connector. Screw down the connector with the knurled nut. Move the AB axis module into the neutral position. Fasten the A-axis cable to the cable socket. Make sure the cable is tensioned from the connector to the cable socket and has enough slack from the cable socket to the cable gland. Bend the cable tie around the fixation. Wrap the A-axis cable with the cable tie. Tighten the cable tie. Cut off the protruding part of the cable tie with the wire cutter. Check that the A-axis cable has sufficient slack and that the AB axis module can be moved freely. Close the working chamber door. Switch on the machine at the main power switch. Start Dental CNC. Calibrate the machine with manual tool change. In the machine data view in Dental CNC, turn on the manual tool change for the T17 position. In the tool administration view, assign the calibration tool to Air Tool Insert E1. Calibrate the machine with Dental CNC as shown in the corresponding video. When prompted, manually insert the calibration tool into the collet chuck. Measure the measuring key with Dental CNC. We provide a help article on this task with further details. You can find the link in the video description. Drill tool positions into the tool magazine inserts as shown in the video on exchanging tool magazine inserts. Open the working chamber door. Calibrate the machine again, but this time with automatic tool change. In the machine data view in Dental CNC, turn off the manual tool change for the T17 position. Insert the calibration tool into Air Tool Insert E1. Calibrate the machine with Dental CNC. Use a test specimen to check the mechanical accuracy of the machine as shown in the corresponding video. If the test specimen is out of tolerance, contact customer service. Open the maintenance view in Dental CNC. Mark the following entry as complete. Exchanging the tool magazine inserts. This will keep your list up to date. For the complete operating instructions, visit dentalportal.info/E5. We hope that this was helpful. Thank you for watching.